Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to generate an AI education video in CapCut. So to do that, it's pretty simple. Let me show you step by step. Just open the CapCut application, open your project, and inside your project, select the third option on the bottom of the screen which says text. In the text menu, select the first option which is add text. Now here you can type or copy paste the text that you want to have in your AI voiceover. Then it is going to show up in the form of a text box just like this in your timeline. Just tap on it and select AI avatars.
Hey, how are
In the avatar menu, you will see that there is a huge library of different characters, but now we are looking for the educational part, for which you have to scroll to the right side of the screen and select Learning. And under the Learning tab, you will see that we have many real-life teacher avatars or cartoon teachers, and you can basically just select one and it is going to be applied to your text.
Hey, how are
This
you
is a
today?
test
Are you
text
ready to
box.
create with
So yeah, just tap on next and it is going to be ready to go. If this video was helpful for you, please consider sending a super thanks donation.